Hey everybody, my name is Dallin Weber, and here's a quick walkthrough of my Kotlin Hangman project. So as you can see, this program is running, and so here's just a list of all of your guesses, and obviously I haven't made any yet. Here's where you're going to draw the hangman, and then each of these dashed lines represents a letter in the word. And then it's just prompting you to guess a letter. So I'll just go ahead and play it real quick. Yeah, honestly, it's pretty hard. Oh, but looks like we got lucky. So, if you beat it, then it just says great job. We'll run it again. For when you are not successful. And you can kind of see that they're all just getting added to the guesses. And then nice try, the secret word was spirit. So it just shows you what the word was. So just to kind of take a look at the code, I decided to make two classes, the main class and then a letter class, because the word has many letters. And then, so here I have two member variables, one for the letter itself, and then one to determine if it's hidden or not. And then all of these methods just kind of help change it from hidden to not hidden, and then telling you if it is hidden. And then if, depending on if it's hidden or not, it just prints off a dashed if it's hidden, and then the letter if it's not. So then back here, I'll just take a look at the functions. So here we have the guess function. This is where you're prompted for a letter, and then you type in your guess. And then if the letter is correct, then it changes the letter not hidden that I was just talking about to false. So then you can see it instead of just being a dashed line. And then so that's the guess function. And then we have the display word, which shows the mixture of the underscores and the letters depending on if it's hidden or not. And then this all visible function is checking to see if every letter is hidden, or if every letter is not hidden, because that means that the user figured out the word, and so then it should end. And then the error counter, just to see how many times they get it wrong, to make sure that it correlates with the stickman drawing. And then display guesses just shows the guesses, that array that I was talking about at the top. And then the create stickman, so just for every error, another body part's added. And then here's the random word function that takes a random word from this long list. You just generate a random number from 0 to 830, and then that gives you the index for this array, which gets you a random number. And then the main function is just kind of calling all of those functions. So you get a random word, and then here for each letter in the word, it adds, or it changes the data type to this letter that I created, and then it adds it to a list of letters so that it's accessible. And then here is the game loop that just kind of goes until they either get it right or they lose the stickman's drawn. And so, yeah, it's just calling all those functions that display guesses, create stickman, display word, yada, yada, yada. And then just to kind of finish up, it shows the message of if all of the letters are visible, then it says, great job, you found it out. But if not, then it says, good try, and then it tells you what the word was. But I think that's pretty much it. Thank you all for watching.